Bilal, can I ask you something, honestly?
Yes, Fatima.
Why do students understand English, but when they open their mouth, nothing comes out?
Because they're not afraid of English. They're afraid of people.
Hmm.
Afraid of being judged. Afraid of making mistakes. Afraid of laughing classmates.
If you are watching this right now and you feel your heart beat fast when teacher says, speak in English, this video is for you.
Today, we're giving you a complete 30-day speaking challenge. Step by step, day by day. No confusion.
Not magic, not grammar overload.
Just daily action.
Let's be honest, students fail because they only watch videos. They don't speak daily. They wait to feel confident.
Confidence does not come first.
Bilal, remember Ali from Karachi? He knew grammar very well.
Yes, but he could not say one full sentence confidently.
Because he never practiced speaking.
Exactly. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you spoke English for 5 minutes continuously? If your answer is never, that is your real problem.
So how will this challenge work?
Simple. 4 phases. Build courage, build vocabulary, real conversations, confidence upgrade. Simple.
First week is not about fluency. It is about breaking fear. Daily tasks. Speak alone 5 minutes. Describe your room. Describe your routine. Record your voice,
Even if grammar is wrong?
especially if grammar is wrong.
We are training your mouth, not your textbook. Okay, I will try. My name is Fatima. Today I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. I feel little sleepy.
Good, not perfect, but speaking. That is success.
Right now, pause the video. Speak about your phone for 1 minute in English. Don't think, just speak.
Now we improve expression. Daily. Learn 10 daily sentences. Use them. Shadow YouTube videos. Repeat loudly.
Shadowing means copying voice?
Yes. Listen and repeat at same time. It trains pronunciation. Example sentences. Actually, I think. In my opinion. Let me explain. That's interesting. Use these in daily talk.
Do you still translate from Urdu, Hindi in your mind?
That is slowing you down. From today, think simple English. Now it is uncomfortable time. Speak with real people. Options, friend, cousin, WhatsApp group, mirror practice, online comments.
This is scary stage.
Yes, but this is growth stage.
Hi, Bilal. How was your day?
It was good. I worked on my goals. What about you?
I studied and practiced English speaking. Simple, natural, no big words.
Tell 2-minute stories. Practice interview questions. Record day 30 video. Compare with day 1. You will see huge change.
Many students cry alone. They feel stupid. But listen carefully. You are not weak. You just didn't practice speaking. That's it.
Nobody laughs at someone improving. They laugh at someone who never tries. Be the one who tries.
Imagine day 30. Teacher says, "Who wants to speak?" And your hand goes up. Heart beating, but you speak. That moment changes life.
If you accept this challenge, comment below, "I accept the 30-day challenge." We will read every comment. And after 30 days, come back and tell your result.
While recording, speak slowly. add pauses, add real stories, add student examples, add energy changes.
So thanks for watching this video. Please like and share this video. So see you then next lesson.